Hello everyone, Marcella here. How are you doing? Guys, if you're here, it's because you want to know if Arctic Blast really works for everyone, right? So today I've decided to record this video to tell you why Arctic Blast gives results for many people, but not for others. Honestly, I'm tired of seeing so much wrong information on the internet that I've decided to tell you guys what really happens with this product, because Arctic Blast is making a huge noise on the market since its launch. So if you don't want to lose your money, stay with me until the very end of this video, right guys? So let's get started. Guys, have you ever wondered why some people say they're not getting results with Arctic Blast? Believe me, it is simple. It's because they are buying the fake product from random places instead of the real deal. Listen up guys, the original Arctic Blast is only sold on their official website. That is so important that I even dropped the link to the official site right here in the description of this video for you. So just go there and you're safe, okay? Guys, Arctic Blast works, don't worry. And what brings even more peace of mind is knowing that when you buy it from their official website, you get a 365-day money-back guarantee, which means 1 whole year. That also means if you try the product and feel like it's not for you, you can just ask for a refund and they will give you all your money back. This is a detail that really puts me at ease with Arctic Blast. Alright, now guys, Arctic Blast is an all-natural supplement that comes in drops, promising to relieve pain in less than 1 minute, and it completely eliminates all inflammation and pain associated with all types of chronic pain. As a drop supplement, Arctic Blast is easier to use and works instantly, as the drops are quickly absorbed by your body. So, its formula, it's only natural, meaning it has vitamins, minerals, plant extracts, herbs, and stuff like that, so everything that will not damage your health. And that's why it gets faster results. Also, it basically helps with your skin as well. Alright, but guys, let me just tell you that Arctic Blast is here to help you out to immediately remove joint-related pain, muscle pain, or any type of pain, So it's cool because it works right away. And that's it. You will definitely see excellent results. Just give Arctic Blast a chance and you won't regret it. Now guys, if you want to know more about Arctic Blast, visit their real website. The official link is right here below, okay? Thanks for watching guys. I hope I've helped. Have a great day.